Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about how we find out if a word is an open or a closed syllable. I have decided to practice and to refresh this lesson with the word mug. Mug. So the first thing we need to do is write down the phonemes or the sounds we hear in the word mug. And here you can see I've already done that. So I have the word mug written down right here. Now, whenever I'm trying to decide if a word is an open or closed syllable, the first thing I need to do is find the vowel, and I'm going to code it. So, boys and girls, let's look through this word and let's find the vowel. You're right, boys and girls, the U is my vowel, so I'm going to code the U as my vowel. Following that, we need to figure out what comes after the vowel. Well, if I look after my vowel, I see that I have a G. Let's think about that. Is it a vowel or is it a consonant? That's right, boys and girls, a G is a consonant. So we will label the G as a consonant. Well, let's go ahead and label our M so we know if the M is a vowel or a consonant. It is a consonant, so we're going to label it as a consonant. Now let's look, boys and girls, and let's think about this. We know we have a CVC word. We know that we have our vowel U followed by a consonant G. And if we have a vowel followed by a consonant, does that make it an open syllable or a closed syllable? That's right, boys and girls. It makes it a closed syllable. So we're going to label it as such with our closed hand. Now that we know it's a closed syllable, we need to determine what the U is going to say. Is our vowel going to be a short vowel sound or a long vowel sound? Well, with it being a closed syllable, we know that the U is going to have a short vowel sound. So instead of it saying U, it's going to say So we're going to label it with a brief right there to reflect that the U is going to say So then at that point we would be able to read this word and we will be able to go g, mug, mug. Good job, boys and girls.